Hi friends, it's Kylie back with you today with a new project I've created for the Hip Kit Club. My assignment for today was to create a mini album and to feature some of my favourite products from the November 2019 kits. It was really hard to narrow down a favourite, but I would have to say I absolutely loved all of the die cuts and exclusive stickers that were included into the kits. So I decided to create a tag album that's held together by a metal ring. And to begin with, I've cut some cardstock tags using this metal tag die from my craft stash. And as I said before, it's going to be held together with one of these pull apart metal rings. And I've printed some photos, some favourite Christmas memories on a smaller scale, and I'll be adding these to the pages of my album. So to begin with, once I had cut the tags out in various colours, I chose some coordinating papers from the main kit, and I've just added a background to these tags, and I wanted every page to be different and have all different colours and patterns included. I didn't worry too much about having all of them the same, and I've just adhered these to each tag with some double-sided tape. Once these were in place, I started to add my photos as well as my embellishments, and I continued with this process for each page of my mini album until it was complete. I did use some foam tape to add a lot of the embellishments. This just helps to raise them from the background and to add a little bit of dimension to each page. And once it was complete, I finished it off by tying some ribbon to the ring at the top. So I'll leave you now, since each page was pretty much the same process. I'll let you enjoy and see how each page has come together. you.